Hello, I am the Experimenter. And have you ever looked at a Yu-Gi-Oh simulator, like, let's say Master Duel, and thought, this is cool. I want to make my own cards in here. You decided to try, and everything seems so fine and dandy with this idea. Then the roadblock that is coding the function of the card hits you with the Grand Slam. What's having the card in the app going to do? You haven't coded what the card does. Today, we'll be pile driving that roadblock because today I will be learning how to code a Yu-Gi-Oh card on EDO Pro. No guarantees it will be that complex of a card or effect, but the thing that truly matters is does it work, not how good or complex the card or its effects are. So to save you guys from the harassment that is downloading multiple applications just to get this one task done, I have skipped over all of that. I'll take screenshots of certain things, because the thing is, in this type of coding, you cannot use words. They assign everything to numbers. So if you're trying to assign something for a dragon type, it's like 8147 instead of just writing dragon. Damn. So this is the moment of truth to see if my coding, which is probably being put up on the screen now, actually worked and added a new card in the game. Now, right now it won't function, but at least it's in. I made this based off of Ghidorah from Godzilla, because of course my nerd ass did. And it's Ghidorah First Titan or something. There, Ghidorah, the first of the Titans. So now we have the card in the game. Next is actually coding the function. The harder out of the two. Now, this is an update like 10 minutes later. Wanna know what I did? Wanna know what I did? Boom! Card art. Ghidorah, first of the Titans. The main thing about coding in this app, it treats all these cards like this number right here, like on Metatron the 12th. If I search up that number, literally no words, but that number 577611191, it will also pull up Metatron the 12th. And that is a very, it's a bleh, very, it's a very big thing while coding it because in the files itself, it will search for this number, not the name Ghidorah, but the number associated with it. And I think it's very interesting. I have saved you from all the bullshit that is trying to figure out how this app works. We have the file with the code name that goes along with Ghidorah's card. Now we just have to script it. And if you paid attention to Ghidorah's effect, you would have saw how simple yet complicated that is when you're talking about coding it. And I did that for a reason. I'm supposed to challenge myself. Wait for 2 seconds, boy. Supposed to challenge myself, so I'm trying to see. Can I code this hard ass card? Although it's not hard at all. We finna see. Now I shall pause recording and continue watching tutorial. Main thing the tutorial talks about is look at other cards that are similar to yours and see how they are coded. That's what he does most of the time, so I'm gonna try that in a bit. Damn. Well, watching the tutorial and finding some cards that are like Ghidorah, which I should have put in here, we have Kong, who says when this card is normal summoned, comma, something else. So I'm gonna try to take from this code, scrap Kong's part of his normal summon and put it on Ghidorah's card. But I want to try to do this without messing everything up. Because I don't know what this is, but this is a scraps. No, this is something else. But it has the same thing. Local S, comma, ID equals get ID, parentheses. So I might just copy that too. I can pretty much copy all of this and then set target, set operation. No, all of it up to event summon success. So now we have all that. We need to put the door's name. And apparently that didn't go over my brain when I was making the hotkeys for the screen recorder. Then when I just type the number, even if it's not related to the video, it will pause the recording. I need to fix that. So I think this is everything, and yes, it is destroying. Oh wait, we don't have the target. How are we supposed to turn it into what effect that targets? I forgot what this was a Shaddoll Dragon because it targets when it's flipped. It returns doesn't it target and sends it to hand? Set property effect flag card. I think this might be what we're looking for. So we'll control C, stick that in here. Does it come after code? It says set target. What? There is a lot, but I think it will be set property, set count limit, set, set cost. What is S dot cost on this? Because the function's down here. If check equals 0, then return true and do that. What the hell? I need to see some more and see how it works. Damn. Talk to you later. This is what I have after everything's said and done. It does not work, unfortunately, after putting my heart and soul into trying. See, it's supposed to initial effect. It only has one effect with like three parts. So we have effect type single, triggers on summon, it's optional, set description, it's destroy, happens on normal summon, and then on set target it's supposed to go to the function target, look for all this stuff. And then once that hits the target, it's supposed to do set operation. Hold up. I erased a register. I'm just noticing that. Let's see if that works. But now I'm trying to remember how it was formatted. Because now that I have looked at it, I have erased something that literally gives the card the effect. Now fixing that fatal error, let's see if this was the reason it was not working. Or if we run into yet another problem. So decks, test hand, this is just a whole bunch of random stuff for a test deck. I forgot to not shuffle the deck. I only put one copy of Ghidorah in here for some damn reason. Don't shuffle. So I'm gonna set two cards on my side. And then we're gonna have them summon Ghidorah. So I'm gonna set the Scrap Coney. And then on their side, summon Ghidorah and see if anything pops up on normal summon. Nothing pops up. So what is the problem? It's supposed to make something pop up on the screen asking for me to just activate the effect. So I have now showed you the fatal error, and that fatal error wasn't the problem. So behind the scenes, I am still going to try to work on this damn card. Let's see if I can make it work. That's all I got to say. I'm out. Go out and code something yourself, cause I'm going back to the lab.